Tadviti pranipatena pariprashnena sevya upadikshanti te jnanam jnanidas tattvadarshana. The guru is tattvajnani. Tattvajnani, what is the tattva? The tattva is the shastra. Tattvajnani. He knows some shastras, so he knows some shastras, so he can speak. So then you're pariprashna there. Why does Krishna say take a guru and ask questions? He doesn't say take a guru and don't and then read the books and you'll know everything. You ask the guru questions about the books. This is in Bhagavad Gita, chapter 4, verse 34. Bhagavad Gita 4:34. Tadvidi pranipatena. Tadvidi. Tadveda. Tadvid. You want to know that? Krishna is telling Arjuna, do you want to know the truth? Chapter 4 of Bhagavad Gita, verse 34. Tadvidi pranipat. If you want to know the truth, then go to the truth personified. Go meet the truth personified and lie at truth personified, whether the truth personified be a Stri or Admi, a man or woman. Lie at the feet of that Guru Ma or Guru Dev. Pranipatena. Pranipatena means dandavat. Lie at the feet with a straw between your teeth. I fully submit to you. I fully surrender unto you. I want to learn from you. I want to be your disciple. This is a shishya. And Bhagavad Gita chapter 2 verse 7. Karpanya dosho. Muda cheta. My chitta, my muda. He says, Arjuna is telling in chapter 2 of Bhagavad Gita, verse 7. He's saying, I am muda. My chit, oh Krishna, my chit, my brain, my thinking is muda. I'm an ass, I'm stupid, I'm foolish. Go ahead. Brui, tell me something for my good. Shreyas, tell me something. And Krishna is saying, you're telling me you're a fool, and your intelligence is like an ass, and you think like an ass, and you don't understand. You're muda chetaha, and you're telling me. So please tell me about good for me, but there's something more required. So then, what does Arjuna say? Shishyas teham mam, shadi mam tvam prapanam. Tvam prapanam. In chapter 2 of Bhagavad Gita, verse 7, he says, Shishyas teham mam, shadi mam tvam prapanam. He says, Shishyas tvam you, shishya, I, and then aham, I am your shishya. I surrender to you. I'm surrendering to you as your disciple. Now please tell me. Bruhitan me. Z? So this is the point.